Today we're going to be learning about critical thinking word problem. Let's say we have a problem like this. Between 100 and 1000, how many numbers are squares of odd integers? So, before we solve this problem, let's go over what an integer is. So an integer are all the whole numbers, including 0 and negative numbers. So, we have to find out between 100 and 1000 how many numbers are squares of odd integers. So, let's first find out what the square root of 100 is. So the square root of 100 is 10. So the nearest odd integer to 10 that is between 100 and 1000 is 11. So 11 squared is equal to 121. So the lowest odd integer would be the lowest square root of the lowest odd integer with the square between 100 and 1000 is 11. Now let's find the highest odd integer with the square root between 100 and 1000. So we can't find the square root of 1000 because it's a decimal, and decimals are not integers. So let's find the nearest odd integer that has a square closest to 1000. So let's start with 900 as the square. So the square root of 900 is 30. So the nearest odd integer to 30 that is between 100 and 1000 and is also greater than 900 is 31. So let's see what 31 squared is equal to. So this is equal to 31 times 31, which is equal to 961. So 31 squared is 961. Now let's go to the nearest upwards odd integer, and we can see that 961 is between 100 and 1000. Now let's go to the next odd integer from 31. That would be 33. So let's see what 33 squared is equal to. This is so that we make sure that 33 is not the highest number with the square between 100 and 1000. So 33 squared is equal to 33 times 33, which is equal to 33 times 33 is equal to 990 plus 99, which is equal to 1089. 1089. So 33 squared is equal to 1089. So we can see that 1089 is not between 100 and 1000. So that means that 33 cannot be included in the numbers that have a square of odd integers between 100 and 1000. So that means that 31 is the highest number with the square between 100 and 1000. So from 11 to 31. So from 11 to 31, let's find out how many odd integers there are. So let's first do it from 11 to 20. So from 11 to 20, So from 11 to 20, there are 5 odd integers. There are 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So now let's do from 21 to 30. So from 21 to 30, we can assume that there are also 5 more odd integers. And we are correct. There are 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29. Then we have 31, which is the last number, which we can see is an odd integer, so that is plus 1. So now let's find the sum of all the odd integers, or the number of odd integers. This is 5 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 11. Odd integers. So there are 11 odd integers. So between 100 and 1,000, 11 numbers are the square of odd integers. So because we know this because there are 11 odd integers, which are the square roots of those 11 square numbers. So the answer to this problem is 11. Today we learned about critical thinking word problem. Thank you for watching this video.